They told him to just start. They said, money is on the internet, but for 47 days. All Timi got was silence, no sales, no clients, no you got this messages, until one night with 1,700 naira left and no hope, a notification appeared, not from a client, not from a friend, from a stranger ready to pay. That one message changed everything, but the real story happened before that message. Stay with me. This is what they don't tell you about online income. Timi had done everything the gurus said, built a Fiverr gig, designed Notion templates, posted on Twitter, set up his Gumroad store. But for weeks. Silence, his friends stopped liking, his bank balance kept shrinking, every motivational post just made him feel worse. At some point, Timi stopped checking his phone, not because he was focused, but because he was tired of trying, of hoping, of failing quietly. Then one day, a notification, you made a sale. 2,800 naira from Gumroad. The next week, a Fiverr order. Hi, can you proofread this article? Then a DM, do you do Notion dashboards for businesses? No viral tweet, no shout out, just slow, steady growth. Built in silence, Timi started listening. Not two trends, but two problems. I can't track my sales. I need help organizing content. My blog formatting is a mess. He solved those one by one, quietly, and his inbox. Finally stayed active. So what they don't tell you about online income? It's not easy, it's not fast, it's not for everyone, but if you can survive the silence, if you can learn during the no's, that first yes will change everything. Real online income isn't built in a tweet, it's built in the days no one sees. Subscribe for more true stories behind digital money.